Hi students, this is the continuity of symmetry. We already know about what is symmetry. The symmetry is nothing but when a shape is folded in half and it is the same on both the sides. Let us discuss about reflectional symmetry. A reflectional symmetry is also called as bilateral line symmetry or mirror symmetry. A reflection that flips the view of an object, but the size and shapes are the same, even though the shape is mirrored. We describe the reflections with the line of symmetry. A figure or a shape or an object can have one or more than one line of symmetry. The direction of line of symmetry is not fixed. Both the halves are congruent and mirror image to each other. The congruent is nothing but same size. See, this is a line of symmetry. So the image is split into two equal parts. This side and this side, both the sides are equal. Let's see here, when we fold one side, so the second half. See, when we keep this mirror in this place, we can see the same page on the mirror like this. So when we keep the mirror on this side or this side, we can see the other side on your other side. See here, when we keep the mirror here, you can see the same side on the mirror. This is mirror image. So here this is mirror image. The next one is reflectional symmetry with polygons. So in that polygons, see here equilateral triangle shape is given and square and regular pentagon and regular hexagon. So let us discuss about equilateral triangle. In that equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So see, this dotted line is a mirror line. So there are three mirror lines. When we keep this mirror, you can see this side and this side both are common. In the same way, in that equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. But for the square, four lines of symmetry because it has four equal sides. All the sides are equal. So next one is pentagon. For this regular pentagon, all the sides are equal. It has five sides. So five lines of symmetry. For the hexagon has six lines of symmetry. Next one is rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry is defined when a shape or a pattern can be rotated or turned around a central point and remains the same. The order of rotational symmetry of a shape is defined as the number of times that it can be rotated around a full circle, that is 360 degree, and it's look the same. See this flower, so totally 6 petals are there. So this is the center point. So if it is full circle, it's rotated around a full circle, all the sides look like same. So here totally 6 rotational symmetry, that is the order of rotational symmetry is 6 for this flower. See, let us consider about this hexagon shape. It has 6 sides, equal sides, everything. So this is the starting point. When we rotate a clockwise direction, see, this is, if we rotate once, this dot comes here. Then if we rotate twice, see, if we rotate thrice and rotate 4 times, this is 5th times, then 6th times. So finally it came back to the starting point. So see, this both are equal. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 rotational. Order of rotational for this hexagonal shape is 6. So it turns entire full, that is full circle. That means 360 degree. See, let us consider this star. So real-time example. See, this is the point A. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 edges. See here, point A. When it rotates once, the point come here. See, point is here. When it rotates second time, it should be come here. Third. When it rotates this place, that is 4. Then again 5. then again it came to the original place. So it has totally 5 order of rotational symmetry. Let us consider this flower. So here totally 5 petals are there. So for this 5 petals also, the order of rotational symmetry is 5. Because see, when we just consider this is the starting point, it rotates 1 time, then 2 time, then 3 time, 4 time, then 5 time. Again it came to the original position. So totally 5 order of rotational is 5. So let us consider this leaf. Here 4 leaf, see 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is one kind of leaf. So in that, see, just consider this is starting point. So it turns around, that is full circle. So totally 4 order of rotational symmetry is there for this leaves. Next one is, see this butterfly. So for this butterfly here, see, whenever it rotates, it doesn't get the same sides. So everything is deceived. If we rotate like this, clockwise direction, it's not same this side and this side. Then again it's rotate, no. Like this, no. So for this shape, there is no order of rotational symmetry. So here it's 0. Thank you.